So we're starting fractions and decimals, and you're going to be probably tested a little bit more than what you have been with some of the other units. So it's really important that if you have any questions, either post it straight to the Google Classroom or, be really specific and say, oh, I need a video on simplifying fractions or something like that. It's best, well, I work best making these videos at night when, everything's quiet and there's no other jobs to be done. So I'm happy to make any videos about anything. If you need something shown again, just send a message on Google Classroom and then I'll have the video ready for the next day. So I'm just going to go through each question that you're going to do today and do kind of the first one to show you what to do. Okay, so the first question is fairly simple. It's just a number line style question. I'll post the pictures of the activity and you can just complete it on paper like I am, or figure it out how to do it in the slide. So it's just a number line. So all fractions exist on a number line, and it just has some values left out. And I'm sure you can see quite quickly, just how simple these first kind of questions are. The thing is, a lot of these questions is kind of revision of things we've already done, as well as some more advanced things. So you might find things to be either really easy or really hard in the things that we're doing. So you just have to persevere and work hard on the things that don't come quite as natural. So here, 0, half, 1, the empty box would be 1.5, and then 2.5. So the first question's fairly easy. That's question 3. Question 4a, we are finding equivalent fractions. Sorry about the bumping of the camera. So we have 3 over 8 equals 9 over 24. So we need to figure out, how do we get from one to the other? So 3 over 8 equals 9 over 24. You might see a connection here between 8 and 24, and it is a multiple. So 8, 16, 24. So we need to times by 3 to get to that. Okay, I know in some previous lessons we've done some work where the denominators aren't multiples, so we might have 8 there, and then we might have, say, 13. It might be 2 over 8 and 7 over 13, and you need to multiply both sides. So here we will times by 13. Here we will times by 8. See that? How we've multiplied the denominators. So that would end up being 26 over 88, 96, 104 equals 104 and 56, like that. And this is really helpful when we are adding. Sorry, so that's kind of a different question. And then that would equal 12, 70, 82 over 104. I'm sure we'll get to this in some of our activities, but just today, all you need to do is find out what do we need to multiply to find the equivalent fraction. So I kind of went on a bit of a tangent there, but that's okay. Question 5. So it gives you a number out the front, and you have to then answer which are equivalent. So it gives you all these options, and you just need to decide if the denominator is a multiple, essentially. 12 over 16, 14 over 21, 40 over 60. So some are pretty obvious straight off the bat. So 5 over 8, it's not going to be one. Here, 12 over 16,